So in our field, we talk about community leadership, and it's beyond grant making. As you know, we've made grants in the project and in the co-op that we supported. But I think we learned after the water crisis, there were many ways as a community foundation we could work with our partners and our community. Beyond that, we worked across sectors to talk about how do we mix private and public dollars. So there are many different ways that we can be involved with the community in any project. And for me, that's what community leadership really means. From your standpoint, I guess, do you think we fulfilled that role of community leadership?
I think you guys absolutely did. But I also think as a recipient of the grant funds, we're coming from a perspective in terms of leadership, how to continually engage residents. I mean, when we talk about community leadership, you've got to begin with listening. And then there's another aspect of community leadership I think is really significant, and that is not only listening, but laboring. And so to be engaged literally with residents, co-laboring with them to get the work done. There's a third piece to community leadership, I think, as I think about this, that I think is extremely important, and I would call this lasting. And so when I say lasting, North Flint Reinvestment is a prime example of an effort to establish a sustainable, long-term presence of folks who live in the community and them being at the decision-making table.
That was what appealed to us as well, and I hope that we can fulfill what we're talking about, that the foundation has fulfilled community leadership in toiling with you through the project, finding the financing, making the argument around equity, and that we are here for the long haul, right? We're, endowment.
I just think Community Foundation is the quintessential and the essence of a partnership at the neighborhood level with organizations who are seeking to make an impact.
We tried to throw the whole toolbox at this project over the 7 years, and so ultimately, though, for us, we felt fortunate to be a part of by investing some of our assets and equity into the project as well, which was new for us.
I want to thank the Community Foundation for demonstrating its community leadership in this community, and just encourage you to unleash your generosity on Giving Tuesday.